Hi guys, hello, welcome back. So in today's video I will be sharing a full skincare routine, like just basic things that I feel that everyone should have in their skincare routine. So yeah, I only have 5 products, to be honest. You can include a lot more things in future if you feel like that's your thing, but I know for a lot of people they just want the basic things. And so yeah, this is a very basic simple skincare routine for people who don't like doing much. So let's begin. This one is the Cetaphil face wash. Now I know this is a very huge bottle and you don't have to buy this much. They have smaller versions in it which is under 500 rupees. This one particularly I got it on sale for around 750. So in my opinion it was a bargain because I literally got 1 liter of face wash. So the one that I have is for gentle skin, and they also have one for oily skin. I believe this will be good for people with normal to dry or sensitive skin, and people with oily skin can try their oilier version. When I started using this, they did not have 2 variants, okay? So the face wash was just called for all skin types and it really worked. Back in the day I did have oily skin, so that worked for me at that time as well. And in my opinion the formula is still the same for the oily face wash and for this one as well. So I still believe this will work for all skin type. Okay, so after you're done with face wash, the next step you can do is add a toner, okay? So hear me out, okay? I know you must be feeling like, no, but why a toner? Can't I just use a face wash, moisturize and be done with the day? I was that person, but up until I started including a toner in my skincare routine, I did not see any major changes. And yeah, I would highly recommend you to try a toner, and this one is very good. And this is from Plum. It's their green tea toner. Again, it is for all skin types. It is alcohol free and it's so good. When doing is wash your face. Do not use a towel to pat dry your face. Just take some on your palm and just put it all over your face and let your skin, drink this up. And after that you can go in and put some hydration back on your face. I using this moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer. It's very affordable, and to be honest it's the only skincare or only thing from Pond's that I like. It's the Pond's Super Light Gel, and I feel that in winters my skin wants a little more, and that is why I don't use this one in winters, but throughout the year I really enjoy using this. And I personally have dry skin. I'm sure this would work wonders for normal to oily skin throughout the year because it's very light on your face and it feels like gel, and I don't know, it feels like a boost of hydration on your face, okay? And everybody likes that, right? So yeah, after using a toner, go with a moisturizer. Next step that you should all be including in your skincare routine, especially in the morning skincare routine, is using a sunscreen. Now hear me out. I know that a lot of people feel like sunscreen feels very heavy on the face, and a lot of people are still very skeptical as to do they really work or are they necessary and all of that. But in my opinion they are very necessary. I have noticed a very huge difference ever since I started using a sunscreen on a regular basis. And the one that I have really liked is Kocher. I believe this is also an Indian brand. However, the one that I have has only an SPF of 15, and you can tell I really like this. I even cut the tube in half and I am really scraping the sides off for the product. And mineral sunscreen, and it's very difficult to find sunscreen without tint. I don't know, for some reason whenever I pick out a sunscreen it has a tint and it leaves a white cast on your face, and I really don't like that, especially if you know you're going out and you will be taking pictures. You don't want that. And this does not have any color or anything of that sort. It is just like a moisturizer for your face. So yeah, I believe you guys will enjoy using this one. So that was almost it. I just have one more product, but I just want to say that you guys can use these products and just skip the sunscreen for your nighttime skincare routine, and you really don't need a different nighttime skincare routine. Okay, so if you guys are interested in using actives and serums and all those sorts of things, you guys can gradually start including them in your skincare routine. But for basics, I feel using these many products, you're good to go. Now what I do is I use a face mask every week, so that's mostly on the weekends, and the face mask that I would recommend is from M Caffeine, and it's their Choco Glow face mask. It has aloe and seaweed. It's really great and just gives your skin some hydration, and it smells delicious. And they have two versions in it. This is for dry to normal skin, and they also have one for oily skin. So that's like a mud mask. That is also pretty good, and I have tried that one in the past, and right now I'm really loving this one. What I do is I put this in the freezer, not the freezer, the fridge, and yeah, I just apply it cold on my face, and it feels really good. Okay, so that was it. That was a very basic skincare routine, and I get a lot of DMs on Instagram and sometimes on my YouTube comments as well that I don't know, I get really overwhelmed looking at all of these skincare products and I don't know what to do. So I hope this video answers some of your questions, and I have a lot more skincare products that are affordable, are under the 500 mark, and if you are interested in knowing those, then please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have come till the end of this video, then thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching or if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell before you leave. That really helps me out, and I'll see you in my next one.